If your thermostat backlight is not turning on, it can be super annoying, especially when you're trying to check or change the temperature at night or in a dim room. So, first off, make sure the batteries aren't dead because that's like the most common reason your backlight just gives up on you. If you haven't changed them in a while, swap them out with fresh ones and see if that fixes it. Next, check if your thermostat has brightness or backlight settings. Sometimes they're turned way down or even off, and you just gotta crank them up a bit. Also, look for a backlight button. Some models have a manual switch or touch area to turn the light on. If you have a smart thermostat, try rebooting it or checking the app settings because sometimes software glitches mess with the backlight. Don't forget to clean the screen and sensors because dirt can sometimes block light sensors or cause weird behavior. If none of this works, it might be time to check if the thermostat itself is faulty or needs professional help. Finally, remember that different thermostat brands and models have their own quirks, so looking up your specific model's manual online can save you a lot of time. One of the biggest mistakes people make with thermostat backlights not working is ignoring simple fixes like replacing batteries or adjusting settings. They jump straight to thinking the whole unit is broken, which usually isn't true. Another common issue is missing the fact that the backlight might be controlled by a separate button or setting, so they don't actually try turning it on manually. Third, folks often overlook dirty sensors or screens that can affect the backlight's function, which is a quick and easy fix if you just clean things up gently. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who need their services right in their neighborhood.